Hello guys, we are on chapter 5, traffic control devices. Okay, so we're going to start talking about traffic control devices. This would be our traffic signs, our traffic lights, and our pavement markers. So of course this is going to ensure safety while we drive so everybody's not running into each other. Okay, so we need to make sure, you notice the differences we have, the color, the shapes, the word placements, and of course that's a stop sign. Okay, so our colors actually communicate in different ways. We have our red and white, that means wrong way, we don't go that way, of course. We have our black and white, this is our speed limits, okay, our regular signs. As an example, trucks use the right lane. And then we have our yellow and black. These are our general warnings. You see our railroad crossing. And then you also have your orange and black, and that's construction workers. Or construction, excuse me. So we're reviewing it again. Our yellow, general warning. For fluorescence, this is one of the newer signs. This is also a warning as well. You have your orange, temporary work zone, green, direction and guidance, your brown, recreation, and blue, motorists, and red, stop, and black, regular information, white, regular information, and you have your fluorescent pink, but you don't see too much, so that's incident management. Everyone should know that, the green sign that gives an example. This is going to give you direction, so where the next exit is, where the next town is. Our blue, you see this too, this is a hospital sign, where the phone is. And like we said earlier, you have your brown signs where you're going to see at your state parks. So they put them in 3 different categories: regular signs, warning signs, and guide signs. So a regular sign, this means stop. We also have our yield sign and our do not enter. So these are the ones you probably see the most. Your warning signs, you'll see that watch out for deer. Also, like if you're in the mountains, they have the watch out for bear. They also say watch out for horses as well. Two-way traffic, lane added, and then it's, of course, the deer crossing. Okay, so your guided signs. So this is where you're going to see on the highway mostly. Also, if you're taking some routes, your destination mileage, your routes, and your roadside services. So like if you're coming to Brunswick, you're going to say Brunswick, the next 5 exits, that type of thing. Our traffic lights, we have red, yellow, and green. So our red means, stop prior to the crosswalk. We have our yellow, right away, the red's about to, start, so you want to slow down, and then you have your green, which is clear to go. Okay, so if you ever wondered why you have the green, yellow, red, green pattern, this is to assist drivers who may be colorblind. So they want to make sure that they have the same pattern, and it always goes in the same order. Okay, so we have our lights that are actually horizontal, and then we have them vertical as well. So it was talking about the difference in the horizontal lights and the vertical lights. When signals are in vertical position, the red light is on top, the yellow light is in the middle, and the green light is on the bottom. The horizontal mounted lights display the red light on the left, the yellow light in the center, and the green light on the right. Countdown timers indicate how much time is left for pedestrians to cross the street. To assist the sighted impaired, many of this, they have beepers when they have the countdown to let you know that they're about to run out of time. Pavement markers. What colors are used in pavement markers? So we're going to go over the yellow line. So as you can see, you do not pass with solid yellow lines. You have the yellow center lines. You have also broken up yellow lines where it's okay to pass. And then you're going to have solid double yellow lines and reversible lines and shared left turn lines. Pavement markers. So you can see the dash. You have it dashed or you have it solid. You have the white markers, the word symbols, and then you have restricted lanes. Okay, so that's all we have for chapter 5. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you tomorrow.